Hi, I am the doctor. Today's patient is a 2017 Kia Sorrento. We're going to do an oil change. I'm going to show you how to do it and what tools you need to use and how easy it is. It saves you a lot of money. Here we go right here. First you need your motor oil. This is a 520 right here. Got it from AutoZone. It's good. It's synthetic. Then you need your oil filter right here. Right here, your oil filter, extended life right there. S2808XL. That's for this one right here, the Kia. Then you're gonna need, this is an oil filter cap where you put on your filter like this, like that. Put your, right there, extend around and then just take it off. Other people use pliers and other things, but this is gonna make it a lot easier. Then 17 millimeter bolt to take off the drain plug on the oil pan. That's all you need right here. Now, let's get to it. Take out the oil cap to release some pressure. Put that right there. Now, I'm gonna get under here, pan right here. Now, some of these cars have shield covers. This one did not have one. At 17 bolts, they're 10 millimeter. Goes from right here, look, it's just tore off, all the way towards the back. It's one cover that covers all this. You have this as a divider. It goes right in. You hook it right here to hold everything. Now, this is the area I'll be working in right here. This is the drain plug, release the oil, and your oil filter right here. It's real easy. This is the drain plug. Right here's the drain plug. You always want to clean it out, make it look good. Look to see if there's any debris, anything like that. It's okay. Now we just let everything drain out. too tight. Seconds, just let the oil, the blood flow from the veins as we do it. You know, the oil just go through, and then turn it off. Right about now. Now we're doing oil change. Check. Inspection. We're gonna inspect the oil. Dipstick and everything. How it looks. It's right on the dipstick. And the oil dipstick. Just pull out. See? How it looks right there. Gonna wipe it down. Okay, that's full, that's low. Remember those two. This right here, if you need to do an air filter change, all you're doing is just pulling this out, like that, and it's taking this right out. This all goes together. See, this one is fine right here. As you can see, pull these down. See, that looks good. Everything's fine. Let's put it back in. Switch up. It's locked in. There it is. Another patient has successfully succeeded the operation. Tell me how you feel. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think. I'm here for you. Peace and have a nice day.